Vegas, I don't want to see Vegas. Like, Asia, you could have done better. But all the same.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know a thing set. But people, John, Guyanese man did Mr. Vegas, so man. John, it look rough for Mr. Vegas. People must say, oh, look on him comment here. Ja, we don't want Mr. Vegas, period. Somebody has said what? Still, I don't even know Vegas was still exist. Ja, yo, Guyanese them not play. But you don't know Alkaline, Guyana, you don't know Botheration. You see it? Yeah, man, you know a thing set, man. And nothing normal. You see me? But I got shell down the place. I remember saying him did dead in 2023, you know. Yeah, man, him did dead in 2023, man. You see me? Watch out, people them say, yo, remove Mr. Vegas and add Skipper. Vegas, nah, man, where them going with he? Jaja, dog, man, I tell you people. And nothing normal. People them say, yo, no Mr. Vegas. John, no, but you don't know. It's going to be a show, you see, because you don't know if Vendetta Boss are going to do it, I go shell down. You see it? I know nothing normal, people, me I tell you that. You see me? Wait, me I play some clip and some recap, me gonna see what I want. So this is when Alkaline in 2023, you see it? Play some mash up. Yeah, man. And I know nothing normal. You don't know when the Vendetta Boss touch out on the stage, you know. I know nothing normal. When the man touch out on the stage, man, I be a phone light and play stun up, superstar level. You see it? So this is our next clip, you don't know. Yeah, man. I say Vendetta Boss do the thing. You know people might go sing out the Vendetta girls them. You see it? See your next clip here, you know the thing set. You see it? Yeah, man. So you know the thing set. I Vendetta Boss, you know. You see me? Vendetta Boss. You see it? And I nothing normal, you don't know. The boss I got touch down the man. Him and Mali than Mr. Vegas. You see it, you don't know. How them say May 23. Yeah, man, I think at Guyana National Stadium. I don't know the things so. A stadium we deal with it, you see it? Yeah, man. But the boss I did him thing. You know the boss set already. Yeah, man. Thing not normal. Him just a go and do him thing and you know, I think me see a girl forward out and I say a thing. Jano, I don't know what Mr. Vegas do them, you know, but people in my ball.
Armand, since it's Guyana's 60th, I was expecting they would have brought like, Skipper, Armani, Popcorn, those people. Alkaline performed in 2023. Mali Don performed last year. All he does is yell in his mic. Vegas, I don't want to see Vegas. Like, Asia, you could have done better. But all the same, we're still gonna go to support. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think.
John, oh, Mr. Vegas. Yo, we're gonna deal, man, so. Maybe they must say, yo, the lineup it now, you see me? Lineup kind of look away based on, you know. True, you don't know a young artist against veteran, so maybe that they must say, yo, Mr. Vegas, they want some fresh artist, some artists where, you know, deal with the thing. But I see a girl forward out and say something about Alkaline song. You see me? You want to go on after hear this, you see me? After hear this, people.
Alkaline, you did it again. Alkaline, you provide a music to the soul. Alkaline, in melody, in a song sweet like me, I eat piece of pineapple. You know one of them sweet pineapple when you eat it sweet, you scratch your throat, you have your car. It's sweetness. Alkaline, you rip up emotions. Alkaline, you deal with emotions away. melody and emotion sweet like me, I listen a gospel song, Alkaline. Alkaline, big up yourself. You see, anybody come across this a song you don't like it and have nothing bad to say about it, them is the devil from the pit of hell going straight down. Alkaline, you so, me say song sweet like me, I listen a gospel song. Alkaline, you really is the man. No pussy test. No pussy test. No pussy can compare to you. Which artist have the melody they like you right now in the dancehall? The one in the emotions where you just drop. Compare every artist. Which artist sound like you right there, so? You sound like me I listen to one R&B song. Alkaline, me just a listening song. Me just have the song for repeat. Can't come off for the song. Alkaline, you rip up emotions. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, General. Big up yourself, boss for every boss, done for every done. Big up yourself, Keyman. Big up yourself. Big up you, Alkaline. And don't stop. Big up yourself and big up your whole entire family. And big up your whole entire fans them. Big up yourself. Jesus.
Yeah, man, people, I really think of funny song dropping up people, man, nah lie. I sang alone. Me a play in my vehicle, you know. Yeah, man, I hit alone, man. It beat everything just. It's when I turn up his speaker and the bass a kick. Yo, people. And nothing normal. I tell you the song tough, quality, everything. You see me? But you don't know Alkaline. That's Alkaline really do shaggy music, you know. The man they are gonna need something different. You understand? As the girl tell you a while ago, a real thing. Like, yeah, listen to the song over and over with the bass, everything. Whereas if in your vehicle, it's tough, man. Me I tell you, me pull up a song about 100 times already, man. I tell you. And nothing normal, people. You see, but I see our next brother forward out and I talk about it. I want to hear what he say.
No emotions. Designer from mid to toe, fam. Yo, I want to know, man, if everybody and them mother they ask me, say, yo, cut on, boy, you don't do no video for Alkaline, no emotion yet. I want to know, man, they say everything what Alkaline singing and no emotions are things when I don't talk about already in a past video, so right now I not even know what the chat say. Because I'm a boy, I'm not repeat myself. You see me? Anything you want to know about my idea or my, what I say now, concept, you see me I say about the Alkaline effect. I don't forget watch back then video there. I see me I say about 2 or 3 of them gone viral or this and joke thing when me I talk about Alkaline. Because everything African youth. Alkaline is just a different youth. You see me I deal with Frank Keyman. It's like no emotion right now is a follow-up to Keyman. That's why I deal with, because if you listen, Keyman, I'm going to tell you one story now, Keyman, and then on emotions now, you basically expound on that story and I give you more things about himself, or him stay, or him program, or him flex. You see what I deal with? And that we've been talking about. No, this no emotion song, in it him have a line where I say, him show them up. You see me I say, basically show them up, because what them think them is, he make them know say them isn't. Enough review me I watch, enough people fly over the line there, or some of them even mention the line, but them the idea what them have about the line is so wrong. You see me I say, enough things much on the internet, brother. Since the song I drop with someone I review the song or someone I react to the song, and trust me, be a foolishness then chat. Be a foolishness then chat about the song. Because no one don't have the mind or the vision to see what really Alkaline I do. You saw me I deal with the man is creating something, bro. You saw me I say, when Alkaline does put out music and enough man a quarrel say, yo, it nah, it apartheid growth. You see me I say, there's a famous quote where say, yo, me never know say me have rhythm, so till me know say, a part of the dance is also stepping backwards.
I know say more while when I hear them say that in my G. Because them used to the everyday song, the every artist, like chopping, all of them look at dance, all of them look at thing there. You understand? Money, all of them something there. But Alkaline I sing a different topic where majority of the artists them nah sing. The youth music just different, so them will forward out and say it, but when you check it, Alkaline song them I get more react to and all of them little thing there. More than them song there where them a talk about. Cause remember say Alkaline have a fan base. Cause the song where them a drop, you know, are some hot song, you know, we play all 1-2 months and then that's it. Alkaline song them, people are listen to it till all the next 10 years. You understand? I saw the youth music stay. Cause them does do music for the moment, for the hype, you know. Alkaline I do music for be great, for generation. You understand? I just saw the youth do them thing.
Listen me I say, with that quote there, I just make you know say sometimes brother use an artist, yeah you go have times when you're on top, where everything where you drop a hit. And sometimes you go have a time where you just put out music just based on your soul, based on songs that you feel. So therefore, I know everybody go feel them songs, but them songs they not go hit. That's what I deal because you just drop them. And I really, I try to ride one wave or I try to create something that is not there. You just drop them music based on how you feel, and that missing off 5 times with the vendetta boss. You see me I deal with them man, they just drop their music, brother. Anything happen. When him ready to give you a hit song, him go give you a hit song. Like how him a give you No Emotions right now. Probably him not even did a pre it as a hit song, but based on the hunger of the people them and based on how him promote the song because him actually tell me saying go drop one song, which not really out of fame out of his sister mouth or out of his sister story. Something post on the story and one bag of people see it and say, I would look for the song. Now the song.
And you know what the worst thing? You know, say Alkaline, me see them really wait for a song. Like, people stay up hours and wait for Alkaline for drop a song, you know. You understand? Them always do that. Them wait to see when Alkaline go drop the song. Because this is the thing, you know. On Alkaline, enough artists drop song and it not it. You understand? But them not really talk about it. But you don't know. Through them not rate the vendetta boss. Them gonna say a bag of things. You see it, but no matter what them do, I keep man a dancer, so them can't say what them want, because at the end of the day, when him drop song, everybody talk about it. You understand?
Drop, you don't know if you go create one impact because I think you see me I say not much me in the office. Believe it, because everything what me I go say, me say it already, brother. You see what me I deal with. When it comes to certain things about the clash with one where they are between two artists, I'm see someone I say, Ray, yes, Alkaline must mention things about it in a No Emotions because the idiot them, no, sorry if I said the idiot them, the idiot way how them want to draw Alkaline in the war. You see what I deal with? Me know say that definitely ain't go work. No, when we know out here and then look and I say, you know, say a massacre and Alkaline war with a good. And now we see this family massacre war and then we go look on it and say, no sir, massacre, you're not ready. You think Lily Brogy. And that basically Alkaline I show you in that song you write about now with No Emotions. Anybody want to get to me out of service, Ray. Probably matter about other things, you know, but based on what me know I go on in a dancehall me talk about. Me not come to talk about no man private life or one him a did friend from one time and them I don't know friend again. Me don't know about them, they sitting there. Music, me know about, me know what they go on in a dancehall. And based on what I go on in a dancehall, and Alkaline do a song about dancehall and him a do a dancehall song, me the pre-say I want to go on in a dancehall him a talk about. You see me I say, remember you know Alkaline is a private man, so majority people now go know what they go on in private life. He go sing one song and have with a guest and I say, yo, I chew him and this man then I link again, or I chew him and that the girl then I link again. Near people all review this song and I tell me, and I say one part them I talk about your fake, you should have depend you and I say I girl him. Me I say, brother, no found no reasoning abilities. Slow, brother.
Yeah, man, I want bag of speculation, man, is it? But you do Alkaline jigs there, everybody has speculated, this is my name of this is my name of this is my name of this. You understand? But, you know, everybody have them speculation and you have to smart to pick up what I go on. You understand? Because you don't know Alkaline, you see me, the man there has been controversy with the music, you know. Yeah, man, because you don't know him not put him life out there, just music I do it, you see it? Yeah, man, but a lot of speculation going on in his song. You see me, Uncle Alkaline alone could have come tell you who him this. You see me?
Shallow dog. If he's a pre-Alkaline, brother, if he say Alkaline don't come sing one song and say you change up and I talk about one girl. Alright, you see, you know pre-Alkaline say is a stoic youth, like in a one relationship with one woman and the relationship break off or me no see Alkaline as a man go come sing about that. Yes, you will have a song like a love song for your girl or a Ray for your girl, yes, but you see certain things that some artists sing about, brother. Alkaline now go sing about them, they sing there, brother. Me tell you no. You see me I deal with, I want to know man, so No Emotions right now, when No Emotions drop, it wasn't a surprise to me because me definitely expect Alkaline right about now if you gear up, if you give me some hit song, because I know say 2025 wasn't a really a good year for him, also 2024. So me know say vision right about now for the 2026 verse, him I work with some producer where I work with from in a long time, and kind of generate a kind of chemistry right now with them producer them. So expect more things and better things, both from Alkaline and the producers them where I work with. You see me I deal because everything have to make sense, brother. Man say everything I go make sense soon, and I me they try telling you right now. So look out more from Sponge, look out more from Alkaline. The album I went go drop, trust me, me believe in my heart. So it gonna be a solid album because Alkaline know why I do. Alkaline know how to put out the music them and definitely know why fans them want. And then go cater to the hunger. They know say fans them hungry. Remember I know Alkaline observe what go on in a dancehall space and know when are the right timing. You see me I say In do Keyman long time, and in the middle of the clash, in drop the video for Keyman, kind of give the song a better momentum because worse, so artists are coming and clash, and every song with them a build Alkaline name in it. So in drop Keyman in at that time there. You see me at the youth to make you go back now, go watch the music video and listen what I must say in that song there. To make you know say you look a fool war brother, a foolishness you can't drive in that thing there. You see me at the with yeah. Big up yourself, Vendetta God. Big up yourself, Alkaline. No emotions. And me I tell you, God Almighty truth, I'm not even sorry for Chronic Law. Me hear what going on with him, but I'm not sorry for him. Yeah, I'm not sorry for him.
Yeah, man, I say you can't surf your man when you surf himself in a dog. You understand? Either them a do music or badness. You see me? So if a man want to do badness, I know either two places you're going up with badness, you know. So they must know, you know. Because them say them rich, but I don't know Rasta. But people, when you know a thing set, when you don't know one media facts, you know. When you know a thing set, man, for real, when you don't know me there. People, bless up. You see me? That is it.